TrafficX review. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art, and let me tell you that generating traffic online is easy. That's right, if you want to get traffic, I can get 1,000 clicks right now, but it doesn't mean that this traffic will actually convert into sales. Okay, so I can just go out and buy 1,000 clicks on some shady website, and I will get these 1,000 clicks. They might be real or not, but the main thing is that probably, if you're buying some weird traffic from weird places, it will not convert. You will just waste your money. You will waste a ton of time just researching it, looking into it, creating different offers and files and squeeze pages. So we need traffic that converts. Okay, so you can forget about all the traffic methods that will guarantee you thousands or hundreds or tens of thousands of clicks. If it's not converting, then it is not worth your time. And inside TrafficX, you will get 10 different traffic sources that actually not only convert into sales, but Paul, the guy behind the course, will actually show you how to convert it into sales, because every traffic source is different. So this is my TrafficX review. I wanted to show you obviously the sales page, the inside of the product. We're going to go through the traffic sources. We're going to go for all of the upsells, but I actually have pretty much the biggest bonus available for it out there. So let me share my screen and let's check out my TrafficX bonuses first. Okay, so what I'm going to give you is I'm going to give you a total of 16 bonuses. Okay, so these are worth well over $350. And all of these are W's of the Day awarded courses. Okay, so these are not PLR. This is not something that you can just get anywhere else. These are courses that are still actually selling anything from $10 to $20 a pop, and you are getting all of this for free. So you're getting easy passive paydays, P1 profits, Money Monster, Fast Cash 5, 24-hour traffic plan, rapid niche profits, targeted traffic cash surge, Fiverr cash machine, newbie traffic formula, easy profit secrets, 6 minutes profits, traffic titan, product creation hero, a course on solo ads, how to get $100 per day, and how to get $1,000 per month. So you're getting all 16 of these again for free if you'll decide to pick up TrafficX today through my link after watching this review video. Okay, so these are my bonuses, and right now let's just check out the sales page. This is what you'll see when it will be going live, and it goes live today on the 3rd of June at 9 a.m. Eastern. So as you can see, it says never worry about traffic again, steal our top 10 traffic methods for bigger profits, hotter leads, and more money in your pocket. Get TrafficX now and solve all of your traffic problems. So obviously these guys have a ton of proof, both traffic proof and income proof. Let's just scroll down. Anthony and Paul, these are the two guys behind the course. Paul is actually the one that recorded all of the videos, and he is a super affiliate. So pretty much anything that he decides to promote, he can send hundreds of sales. So he's making a ton of money as a super affiliate, and he actually has his own coaching group where he charges like $700 for it, and he reveals all of the traffic secrets. And with TrafficX you'll get a lot of that same information. So just how to generate traffic from a super affiliate. Okay, so TrafficX, this is the name of the product. Obviously this is my TrafficX review. So a free simple step process. We're gonna take a look in a second. So we're gonna get video training, traffic guide, case studies. Obviously we're gonna have some testimonials, some bonuses, and obviously going to get my bonuses on top of these ones. 30-day money back guarantee, a little FAQ in the end. That's essentially it. And when it comes to the members area, it looks like this. So super simple. Essentially you're getting 10 videos on 10 different traffic methods. Okay, so I can't reveal all of it, but I just wanted to show you the first 3. Okay, so what is cool about this is you can use all 10 or just 1 or 2 or 3, or totally up to you. And these are both paid traffic methods and free traffic methods. But with the paid methods, Paul made sure that first of all you will convert this traffic into sales instantly. So even if you'll pay for traffic, you'll get that money instantly back, and in most cases you're paying pennies per click. Okay, so it's penny traffic and something that you're going to be investing in, but getting the money back instantly. So after your initial investment, you will at least stay on zero or make money. And obviously you can build your list this way, you can build your following when it comes to social media and all that good stuff. And obviously free traffic is the best, because all the profit goes directly into your pocket. You don't have to worry about a return on investment or anything like this. So again, you're getting 10 different videos. Each video is between 10 and 30 minutes, so you can go through this in like under 2 or 3 hours. Start implementing, and let's just check out the first traffic method. The first traffic method is solo ads. So this is one of these paid traffic sources that you can waste a ton of money on, or if you do it right, you can actually make a ton of cash. So the idea behind solo ads is essentially you are paying someone to deliver the clicks, but you need to make sure that if you're paying $40, that you're going to make $40 right back, right on your first day. Not a week from now, not a month from now. You want to make this money as soon as possible, this money back. Okay, so Paul will show you exactly how to do this. So this is the traffic method number 1. Traffic method number 2, we have he is talking about building a buyer's list with $1 offers, and this is actually something that I've done. I know this works. You're building a buyer's list. This is something super simple, because essentially you can just grab a PLR course, turn it into a $1 course, sell it, and this way you are attracting buyers only and not freebie seekers. So that's traffic method number 2. Obviously Paul is going to show you all of the details and the secrets. Traffic method number 3, this is push notifications. So this is something that you're building your list, but this is a list that brings you free traffic. So you get the idea. You get 10 different traffic sources, again, both free and paid. Again, Paul is a super affiliate, so he knows how to just use a combination of all of these traffic sources, how to actually get them to convert into sales, not waste money like with solo ads, but actually, if you're investing something, get that money back as soon as possible. And if you're not investing, obviously just maximize your profits. So you are getting 10 of these. Obviously I can't show you more, but these are the first 3. And I hope that you see that this is super powerful. And again, you can just use 1 or 2 or 3 of these, or you can use all 10 and become a super affiliate just like Paul is. Okay. So this is inside of the members area. Obviously you're gonna get the bonuses and everything else. And right now let's just check out the OTOs, the funnel. Okay, so TrafficX will be $12.95, but this is the early bird price, and the price will be going up. OTO number 1, upsell number 1 is $37, and it will be done for you campaigns. So with a $27 downsell for the light version. So essentially, you know how to generate the traffic with the main product, but these are done for you campaigns. So something that you just have to copy and paste and make money with this instantly. OTO number 2, upsell number 2, unlimited traffic. So essentially what these guys will do is they will let you put your Google Pixel on their best converting sales pages, so you can funnel out the traffic from their sales pages. So obviously these sales pages are getting hundreds of thousands of visitors, and you can just access that audience. Obviously this will cost you $197. But if you would like to create a sales page like this that is getting hundreds of thousands of visitors, it will probably take you at least a year if you're starting from scratch. Okay, so that's OTO number 2. OTO number 3, $47 advanced secrets. So inside you'll see the best kept secrets that have never been shared before, and if you are looking to 5x to 10x your earnings, then this is the perfect upgrade. So just additional advanced marketing training. OTO number 4, we got super affiliate classroom. So this is the coaching that I was telling you about, that he actually sells for $700, but as an OTO 4 to this offer, you can get it for just $397. So essentially you're getting all the training necessary for you to start making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day. Okay, so this is super affiliate marketing training. And the last OTO number 5 is $97, and this is a reseller's license, which means that you can sell this product as your own and all of the upsells and keep 100% on all of it. Okay, so me as an affiliate, I'm promoting this, I'm making 50% commissions, you're going to be getting 100% commissions. So OTOs, as always, are optional. You'll be fine with the main product alone. As you can see, you're getting 10 traffic sources. If traffic is all you need, then you'll be fine with these 10 traffic sources. If you know where to send it, then you'll be fine. But you know, you can consider picking up 1 or 2 or 0 or all of these one-time offers. Okay, so these are the OTOs, and let me show you my bonuses again. These are the bonuses that you're gonna get for me for free. So again, all of these are WS of the day awarded courses. You can buy them and spend $10 to $20 on each and every single one, or get all of these worth well over $350. That's a total of 16 WS of the day awarded courses for free, just as a thank you for picking up TrafficX today through my link. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this TrafficX review. If you have any questions, leave me a comment on YouTube or on my blog. Give it a like on YouTube, and if you want to give it a share as well. And I will be seeing you today on the 3rd of June at 9 a.m. Eastern. Make sure to pick it up with an early bird. That was my TrafficX review, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao.